Heaven. Heaven. Heaven is a state of mind. Heaven is a state of mind. Some people think that they have to live righteously on planet Earth before they can see heaven. Some people think that heaven is this distant space in time or place in the universe that mankind cannot physically go to, but can only get to by first living righteously on earth, being judged, and the floodgates of heaven will open. You can believe what you want, but heaven is a state of mind. You don't have to die to see it. Heaven is a state of mind. You don't have to die to see it. You are already living on planet Earth that the Most High gave humanity to work on, to live on, to play on, to share the resources with each other, and to enjoy this place that flows with milk and honey. You know, I've been saying for quite some time, if anyone has been watching my videos, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. You see, a lot of people are hoping to get to heaven. A lot of people are hoping to get to heaven someday, forgetting that heaven is here on earth. And that you don't have to hope, wait, pray, fast before you can get to heaven. Now, should you live righteously? Of course. Your living righteously can open the doors to the gates of heaven. Because heaven is a state of mind. There are people who are living in the state of hell in their minds. And if we really are 7 point whatever the number is, billions of people living on the planet, do you know the fraction of people who are considered psychopaths? That fraction is 1/3. Now, that's my guesstimation. You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to take it for face value. That's my guesstimation. If there are psychopaths living amongst us, 7 point something billion people on the planet, 1/3 are psychopaths. They create more mayhem, more havoc on this planet than the rest of humanity. But that should tell you something. Until you govern this temple, you will continuously live in hell. Heaven is a state of mind. Watch what you allow in your subconscious mind. Watch what you eat. Get enough rest. Keep creating. Keep becoming your greatest version on purpose. You came here to live your best life. You came here to live your best life, not someone else's. Don't waste your time. Don't live in regret. Time is of essence. Get the new book, Just Be It, on Amazon. I will include the link to this, to my books in the description box. Stay tuned. My audio book is coming out. Like, share, and subscribe to this video, to my channel. Until next time, peace, prosperity, and always love. Stay well, stay healthy.